In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Dying Light with friends, Steam and Epic Crossplay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, Dying Light features crossplay, and you will be able to play between Steam and Epic. So let's say that you are playing on Steam and you have friends who are playing on Epic games. You will be able to connect both accounts, so you will find them under your friends list and you can invite them like you would with anyone else on the same platform. So I am playing on Steam, and all that you have to do is go ahead and start your game. So go over to new game or continue. If you are starting a new game, you will have to progress through the story until you are able to host sessions. So pause the game at any point. And now to set it up, first, everyone who is going to be playing has to connect the opposite account. So for example, I am playing on Steam. So if you look at the bottom left corner of the screen, you will be able to find the option to log in to the opposite platform. So if you are on Steam, you will be able to log into Epic, and if you are playing two Epic games, you will be able to log into Steam. By clicking on this option, you will be redirected to a web browser where you can go ahead and sign into your account. I'm not going to do it in this video because I'm doing this with an alternative Steam account, but if you are able to log in, you would connect both accounts. And what this is going to do is make sure that your friends list is updated. Once your friends list is updated, you will be able to see friends from both Steam and Epic games. And all that you have to do now is click on any of them and then invite the game. It's as simple as finding them under your friends list and then inviting them to your session. Once you have invited your friends here, they will populate one of these empty slots, and you can go ahead and configure matchmaking. So you will be able to get this working and change the game visibility, set it up, they will be able to join, and all of you can play together. You can open the session settings if you want to change it to private or friends only, that way no other randoms can join, and this way you will be able to do crossplay between Steam and Epic games on PC. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Dying Light with friends, Steam and Epic crossplay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.